everyone and welcome to today's episode. I am Renuka and with me is Dr. Arpua Waman, Director at Avalon Enterprise Solutions. Today we are diving into a very important topic, ERP. Everyone has heard the term, but what exactly is ERP and what does it matter so much for businesses? Let's find out from Aarti ma'am as well. So Aarti ma'am, people often say they know what ERP is, but in reality, what does ERP and that truly mean for businesses?
Hello, Renuka. That's a great question. I would say ERP is like the brain of the business. Just like the brain connects and coordinates every part of the body, similar way ERP connects and streamlines every function of a business.
That sounds very interesting. But this also raises a practical question. When should a company realize that it's the right time to move into ERP system?
Excellent point. See, most companies don't realize it, but in real fact, 90% of the world's transactions today are powered by ERP in some or the other way. Think about it. See, even when you order groceries, the retailer, the delivery system, the payment gateway, and the logistic chain all are running on ERP in the background. Inefficiency or lack of real-time insights, that's the time to switch to ERP. It's no longer a luxury now, it's a necessity.
Wow, that's a powerful, so essential. ERP is already shaping the world around us without us realizing it. But tell me, what makes ERP so critical for a company today to function?
Alright, so the beauty of ERP is that it solves the real problems. It helps businesses function smoothly every single day, from managing inventory to processing customer orders. But beyond automation, ERP also requires human intelligence and the adoption. In today's world, we are flooded with data, Renuka. ERP helps filter and structure this information, but the final decision making still needs human judgment. The key is to balance ERP's efficiency with human insight. That's how businesses can thrive.
That makes so much sense. And before we wrap it, Aarti ma'am, what's the biggest takeaway you would like our listeners to remember about ERP?
So I would say that businesses need to collaborate and work together on their shared values. ERP is not just about software, it's about changing the narrative, moving beyond manual processes and outdated constructs, and embracing real-time solutions that drive growth. So to summarize, I would say ERP helps us move beyond the limitations created by humans and enables us to create systems that are smarter, faster, and more reliable for the future. So it's about being conscious for what we choose to do.
That's truly insightful. Thank you for sharing your thoughts, Aarti ma'am. ERP really does sound like a backbone, or as you say, the brain of modern businesses. And thank you all for tuning in. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to share it with your colleagues and network. Until next time, this is Renuka signing off.
Thank you, Renuka.
Thank you.